In the quiet heart of the Channel Islands, where the sea meets stone and time moves with grace, this £1 note from Guernsey tells a story older than itself. It is not merely paper, it is a promise written in ink and perseverance. A symbol of an island that chose self-reliance over dependence, dignity over wealth. Through wars and storms, Guernsey stood unwavering, guided by honesty, craftsmanship, and calm resolve. Every leaf, every green curve on this note, whispers of a people who built prosperity not from power, but from patience. And so this humble pound endures, carrying the soul of the island, proud, steadfast, and free. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep the whispers of history alive.